Hey YouTube, thank you for stopping by Beauty Passion Fashion. I'm Miss Portia and I know it's been such a long time since I've been here with you guys, but I am back and I want to take you on a journey with me, and it's going to be so fun. It's going to be so informative and you won't want to miss it. Okay, so I'm hoping that you'll stick around with me as I dish out these videos, giving you some new, exciting new things that I'm doing. So as you can tell from the title of this video, this is a part 2 to how to get the bone straight hair without a relaxer look. Okay, if you stuck out with me in the beginning, I did a video on how to get bone straight hair without a relaxer, and in that video I spoke about the alkaline hair softener. Now, unfortunately, after speaking with the creators of that product, I found out that it is no longer in production. It's pretty much discontinued, okay? And I was completely bummed out, like literally bummed out, okay? I didn't know what to do with my hair. It was just, it was like a nightmare. And I didn't realize how much I depended on that particular product to get certain hairstyles and results that I wanted. So imagine my excitement when I found out about this new thing I'm gonna introduce you to, because my hair right now is absolutely is bomb for me, okay? Because it's been agreeing to everything that I needed to do, which was not the case before. So before I get into what exactly I'm talking about, I needed to ask you some questions just so that I know you're here to get the tea on the hair, okay? So that is, are you dealing with hair that is unruly or damaged, colored, or just hair that is completely out of your control, hair that has a mind of its own? Because I did, and it was no joke, okay? My hair was doing its own thing every single day, and it was driving me a little nuts. Another question to ask: if you were anything like me or like how I was with my hair, I would want to wear a straight hairstyle because I like to wear my hair straight. But unfortunately, the weather did not allow me to do so. Not even 1 hour into being outside, my hair would just puff up, and it's because of high porosity hair. It's because the humidity in the air would just be in my hair, and I just could not look how I want to look. Is that you? I feel your pain because I went through it for years upon years. And my schedule, being as busy as I wasn't able to commit myself or dedicate myself to my hair the way I needed to. It was it was just something I had trouble maintaining. I wanted to do the deep conditioning treatments. I wanted to do the Cherry Lola treatments and just everything that I can do in order to treat my hair for my high porosity, but it wasn't working out because I just wasn't dedicated. Are you suffering from that too? I got something for you. Okay. Let's get to the actual product. I know you're like, come on, just give it to me already. I'm going to talk about something called a keratin hair treatment. And you may be familiar with it or you may not, but this has grown very popular during the pandemic, especially because everybody, at least almost everybody, had to do their own hair. And this treatment is literally godsend. And I am so serious about that because your girl was struggling with her hair. Now, a keratin hair treatment is actually meant for hair of all types. You can have colored hair, damaged hair, healthy hair. You can have relaxed hair. It's just for everybody who wants to have or even maintain healthy hair. Okay, so let me get into the details about what this product actually does and how it could change your hair life like it did mine. Okay, so let's get into some of the great benefits that this keratin hair treatment can offer you. And if you're struggling with your hair, you're gonna wanna listen up closely, okay? Because this has changed my hair game 100%. I mean, from texture to manageability to my hair growth, just everything overall. And I haven't even been using it for a long time, and I've noticed a very great difference. You're gonna notice after using this product, hair growth because it brings elasticity back to your hair, which means less breakage, less damage. Okay, the keratin in the hair treatment actually smooths out your hair cuticles. So that means no frizz. Yay, no frizz. So some of the main benefits about using a keratin hair treatment is shiny hair, straightened hair, no frizz, and repaired damage. And that's really what we're all looking for in our healthy hair. For a keratin hair treatment, you can go in a salon to get it done, which can range anywhere between $300 and upward, all the way up to $800, which is absolutely crazy because I did it at home. And there are so many different brands of keratin treatments that you can do and choose from, and they range from $30 to about $80, which is pretty affordable when you're, talking about going inside, paying hundreds of dollars. No, we just gonna do this at home. Now, what I use is a label called Keratin Research, and it is actually the gold label product. It came with a little shampoo treatment, which I actually thought was pretty amazing because it's a clarifying shampoo. But you can get this on Amazon, and I paid roughly about $38, which is pretty darn affordable if you ask me for these type of results. Now, I have to let you know, putting in a keratin hair treatment is no light work, okay? This is made for professionals, usually done in a hair salon by a professional. So if you're not a professional hairdresser, doing it at home, you really have to follow the instructions. And I really do recommend having someone else put it in for you, but it's not impossible because I did it by myself. Like, I was not playing, okay? I had to do it. It was just time. So, there's something inside of the keratin treatment called formaldehyde, and it is a really strong smelling chemical within the product. Now, this doesn't damage your hair. It actually repairs your hair. It causes the keratin to be bonded into your hair. And this is what causes your hair to become straight for a long time. So this product lasts anywhere between 3 months and 6 months time, which is so excellent for people who want to wear straight hair like I do. Okay, now to get more into how long it lasts, you have to know that there's some things that goes into taking care of your keratin treatment, which depends on how long it will last. For instance, going into salt water can actually shorten the amount of time the keratin treatment stays in your hair because it starts to strip out of your hair, which we don't want that. So try to limit the amount of time you decide to go jumping into the beach water, okay? Going into the pool, the bleach inside of the pool water can also shorten the amount of time the keratin stays in your hair. Those are just some of the ways that we can shorten the time of the actual treatment. But if you're, like me, and you're not in water too much, this can last up to 6 months. And trust me, okay, my hair texture has completely changed. I had different types of hair textures, like 3B here, 3C here, and 4A, 4B here. Is all over the place. And this is exactly why I decided to opt into using a product like this, is because now I wash my hair where after maybe 5 minutes, my hair is literally dry, air dried, like majority of it is air dried because of the high porosity. Now, when I wash my hair, it literally looks like I can feel my roots, if that makes sense. Can you ever do that washing your hair if you have hair like me? I'm sorry, but this is really awesome. Now, as we all know, where there's a plus, there's always a negative, okay? Now, in this case, the plus outweighs the negative by far, but I have to let you know about the con of this product. When applying this product to my hair, I don't know if I was just in a rush to do this, but it is recommended that you use an open, well-ventilated area because the fumes of this product, okay, and this is any keratin hair treatment, the fumes that you will experience is on a different level, okay? The smell is absolutely crazy. Like you almost feel like you can't breathe through it, but you can, but you can't. You just need a well-ventilated area. I promise you. Please, please use a ventilated area because the fumes will actually cause the room to be very, very smoky, and it just smells really strong. Okay, that was just a downside, but I was warned through the comments on Amazon. That's something to keep in mind when you're applying it. Do it in your garage while your garage is open, or do it on a balcony, or in your yard, or just in a room where the windows are opened, because it will get steamy in there and very strong. That's the only downside. So although I received wonderful benefits using this keratin treatment, I'm not a hairdresser, so you should do your own research, because I'm not exactly telling you what it's going to do for your hair, but I am telling you what the product will claim to do for your hair. And I have the results in my hair. Right now, this hair is, trust me, I haven't been wrapping it. I haven't been doing anything to my hair besides greasing it or moisturizing it. And it has remained straight as if I have wrapped it, honestly. And that's like mind blowing to me. My wash and goes are like big curls, okay? My texture is like, it's just, it's exactly what I wanted. And trust me, I am going to show you guys an example, because in my next video, I'm going to actually be showing you how to apply it to your hair. So stay tuned for that. That's something you don't want to miss. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I open your eyes to a brand new way of life where your hair is concerned, because the Lord blessed me in using this product. I am telling you. So in conclusion, this is something that can actually help you do your research, and stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to be applying it to some hair. You're going to absolutely love it. So again, thank you for stopping by Beauty Passion Fashion. Don't forget to comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. And don't forget to put on that notification bell, because you're going to want to know when I come up with these videos. I got some great stuff coming to you. So hang in there, okay? Until next time, peace and blessings to you.